Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, in today's video, we will start reading with our chapter 2 from the book First Flight. The name of the chapter is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, so this chapter is a kind of autobiography of Nelson Mandela, right? So Nelson Mandela की एक autobiography थी Long Walk to Freedom and this chapter is a part of that autobiography. Okay, so we all know about Nelson Mandela, his life, his struggle. Okay, so we will come to know more about him in this chapter. So let's begin. Before you read, so before starting reading the chapter, let's get some idea about the chapter. Apartheid is a political system that separates people according to their race. Okay, so in the history of South Africa, there was one political system known as apartheid. Okay, and because of that system, you know, जो people थे South Africa के, they were separated because of their race. Okay, so we all have heard in South Africa, white people and black people, right? And a great discrimination was there between white and black people according to their race. Okay, and that system that creates separation is known as apartheid. Okay, can you say which of the three countries named below had such a political system until very recently? Okay, so now there is a question for all of us that, you know, we are given with the options of three countries and we have to choose the country in which there was this system apartheid. Okay, so let's see the options. Options are United States of America, South Africa or Australia. Okay, so we all know that it was South Africa, right, where this system apartheid, it was there, and because of that system there was a great discrimination between white people and black people. Okay, have you heard of Nelson Mandela? Mandela and his African National Congress spent a lifetime fighting against apartheid. Okay, and Nelson Mandela, he belonged to this political party African National Congress. Okay, so Nelson Mandela and this political party African National Congress, they spent a lifetime, okay, fighting against this political system named as apartheid. Okay, Mandela had to spend 30 years in prison. Okay, and because of the struggle, right, Nelson Mandela जो struggle कर रहे थे, जो fight वो लड़ रहे थे, because of that he had to spend 30 years of his life in prison, right? So it is really a very long period. 30 years of his life he spent in prison just because for the sake of black people, for their rights, for their freedom. Okay, finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation. Okay, but after a long struggle, after a long fight, finally in the year of 1994, for the very first time in South Africa, democratic elections were held. Okay, and जब इसके election के results आते हैं, so according to the results, Nelson Mandela, he became the first black president of a new nation. Okay, so now South Africa, it was a new nation. Why? Because there were democratic elections for the very first time and now there was no political system that known as apartheid. वो system को, you know, हटा दिया गया था, उसे replace कर दिया गया था with a new system, a new democratic system. Okay, so definitely South Africa, now it was like a new nation with a new political system. Okay, and Nelson Mandela, he was the first black president of South Africa. Okay, in this extract from his autobiography Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela speaks about a historic occasion. Okay, so ये जो chapter हम यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, this is a extract. Extract means part. Okay, so this chapter is a very brief part from his autobiography known as Long Walk to Freedom. Okay, so Nelson Mandela's autobiography is entitled like Long Walk to Freedom and this chapter is a part of that autobiography, right? And in this part, Nelson Mandela is speaking about a historic occasion. Okay, and what was this occasion? The inauguration, right? Can you guess what the occasion might be? Okay, so this occasion is a inauguration occasion. So can we guess कि inauguration किस चीज का है, क्या historic occasion ये हो सकता है, right? And we will know the answer when we will continue the chapter. Okay, so let's start reading the chapter. 10th May dawned bright and clear. Okay, so what was the day? It is 10th May. Okay, and it was the day when you know the morning was very bright and clear. Okay, so what is dawn? Dawn means the early morning time. Okay, so the early morning time of 10th May was very bright, very clear. Okay, so it was a sunny day. Okay, and the sky was clear, no clouds were there in the sky, right? So it was a very bright, it was very clear day. Clear? For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. Okay, so who is I here? He is Nelson Mandela, right? So Nelson Mandela, he is saying that you know for the past few days he had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries. Okay, so what is besieged? Besieged means surrounded. Okay, so Nelson Mandela is saying that he was very happy because for the last few days he was surrounded by dignitaries. Dignitaries means important officers, right, and the world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. Okay, and why the you know leaders or dignitaries or important people were there in South Africa? Because they were in South Africa just to pay the respect for this new democratic system, right? So अब तक साउथ अफ्रीका में अपार्थेड था बिकॉज अब तक यू नो जो वाइट सुप्रीमेसी थी वो वहाँ पे थी, राइट, बट अब फाइनली अपार्थेड सिस्टम को रिप्लेस कर दिया गया था विद दिस न्यू सिस्टम नोन एज डेमोक्रेसी. सो अब क्या था, जितने भी वर्ल्ड लीडर्स थे, राइट, दे वर देयर इन साउथ अफ्रीका जस्ट टू पे देयर रेस्पेक्ट टू दिस न्यू पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम. ओके, the inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil. Okay, so now Mandela he is saying कि ये जो ceremony होने वाली थी inauguration ceremony. Okay, inauguration means to begin or start something, right? So जो inauguration ceremony होने वाली थी it would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders on South African soil, right? So इससे पहले ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ था कि साउथ अफ्रीका में, राइट, इतना ज़्यादा यू नो गैदरिंग हुई थी इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स की, राइट, यानी कि सभी जितने भी वर्ल्ड में कंट्रीज़ हैं, ओके, सभी कंट्रीज़ के जो लीडर्स थे वो साउथ अफ्रीका में आ रहे थे. सो इट वाज हैपनिंग फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका. ओके, सो इट वाज रियली अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल मोमेंट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका बिकॉज साउथ अफ्रीका वाज होस्टिंग अ वेरी ग्रेट गैदरिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड लीडर्स फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. ओके, the ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. Okay, और ये जो inauguration ceremonies थी, जो event था, okay, ये कहाँ होने वाला था? ये होने वाला था in the lovely sandstone amphitheater. Okay, so what is amphitheater? In this picture we can see this is a amphitheater, right? ये एक open theater होता है. Okay, so center में एक circular shape में ये यहाँ पे ये जो place है ये as a stage use किया जाता है और चारों तरफ you know ये stairs होती है, यहाँ पे जो ऑडियंस होते हैं वो बैठते हैं और परफॉर्मेंस देखते हैं, राइट. सो इट इज काइंड ऑफ ओपन थिएटर एंड इट इज नोन एज एम्पी थिएटर, राइट. सो देयर वाज वन एम्पी थिएटर एंड दिस एम्पी थिएटर वाज बिल्ड ऑफ सैंडस्टोन. ओके, एंड इट वाज फाउंड बाय द यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स इन प्रिटोरिया. ओके, सो प्रिटोरिया इज अ सिटी ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका एंड यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स इन दिस पिक्चर वी कैन सी दीज आर द यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स ऑफ प्रिटोरिया. ओके, सो इन्हें यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स में ये एम्पी थिएटर था एंड इन दैट एम्पी थिएटर दिस इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी ये वहां पर होने वाली थी. ओके, For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy and now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Okay, so next Mandela he is saying that you know for decades, what is decade? Decade is a period of 10 years. Okay, so जो 10 years का period होता है, जो group होता है 10 years का, that is known as decade. So Mandela is saying that you know for last so many decades this had been the seat of white supremacy. What is supremacy? Supremacy is powerful position. Okay, so because of the apartheid system there was white supremacy, right. So जितनी भी powerful positions थी, every position was captured by only white people, right. So अभी तक ये जो seat थी it was also captured by white supremacy. supremacy, but now for the very first time there was a rainbow gathering, right? So अभी तक वहाँ पे सिर्फ white people दिखाई देते थे, right? लेकिन अब वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था, अब one rainbow gathering was there, and white was a rainbow gathering because now they were representative of different colors and different nations, okay, and they all were there for the installation of South Africa's first democratic and non-racial government, okay. So till now अब तक वहाँ पे apartheid था, so because of that white supremacy was there, but now there is no apartheid system, but there was one democratic system, right? And because of this installation ceremony, world leaders, leaders from different worlds, different nations, different countries, different race, everyone is there, right? So it was looking like a rainbow gathering, okay. On that lovely autumn day, I was accompanied by my daughter Jinani, okay. So next Mandela he is saying that it was one autumn day, it was very lovely weather that day, and that day Nelson Mandela, he was accompanied by his daughter, and the name of his daughter is Jinani, okay. And accompanied means to go together, okay. So in this picture we can see his Nelson Mandela along with his daughter Jinani, okay. On the podium, Mr. de Klerk was first sworn in as second deputy president, okay. So we all have seen this system in India also, that whenever a new government is formed, right, so at that time all the members of the government, they take one oath, okay. So यही system वहाँ पे South Africa में भी था. So for that inauguration ceremony, जितने भी member of the government थे, right, they were taking oath, okay. So Mandela is saying that on the podium सबसे पहले जो oath थी वो किसने ली थी? It was Mr. de Klerk, okay, and he was second deputy president, okay. So he was the first one to take the oath, okay. So in this picture we can see he is Mr. de Klerk, okay. Then Thabo Mbeki was sworn in as first deputy president, okay. So after Mr. de Klerk, it was time for Thabo Mbeki, okay, and he took an oath for as the first deputy president, okay. So first of all it was chance of second deputy president, after that it was the chance of first deputy president, okay. So they took one oath, okay. When it was my turn, I pledged to obey and uphold the constitution and to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and its people, okay. So next Mandela is saying that when finally it was his turn to take the oath, so then he pledged to obey and uphold the constitution, okay. Pledged means to promise, okay. So he took one oath, he promised what? That he will always obey and uphold the constitution. Uphold means support, he will always obey, he will always support the constitution, okay. And what is constitution? We all know constitution is the basic law, or we can say rules of a country, okay. And to devote myself to the well-being of the republic and his people, okay. And he took an oath that he will devote himself. Devote means to give over to a cause, okay. So he said that he will always devote himself to the well-being of the republic and all its people, okay. To the assembled guests and the watching world, I said, okay. So after the oath taking ceremony, it was time for Nelson Mandela's speech, okay. So he is saying that after taking the oath, he addressed the assembled guests and the entire world, the world that was watching that historic event, okay. And what did he say in his speech? So let's see. He said, today, all of us do, by our presence here, confer glory and hope to newborn liberty, okay. So in his speech, Nelson Mandela said that today, all of us who are here, present here, okay, so we all are here to confer glory and hope to newborn liberty. Confer means to give, right. So he said that we all are here to give glory and hope to this newborn liberty, right. Liberty means freedom, okay. So जो साउथ अफ्रीका है, वहाँ पे जो ब्लैक पीपल हैं, उनको अभी तक फ्रीडम नहीं मिली हुई थी, लिबर्टी नहीं मिली हुई थी, कोई भी उनको राइट्स नहीं दिए गए थे, राइट. सो नाउ फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम दे वर हैविंग द फ्रीडम, दे वर हैविंग द लिबर्टी, ओके. आउट ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एन एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी ह्यूमन डिजास्टर दैट लास्टेड टू लॉन्ग मस्ट बी बॉर्न अ सोसाइटी ऑफ विच ऑल ह्यूमैनिटी विल बी प्राउड, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट इन हिज स्पीच नेल्सन मंडेला ही कंटिन्यूड दैट out of the experience of an extraordinary human disaster disaster. Disaster means a very terrible situation. And what to human disaster he is referring here? This human disaster is apartheid system. Okay, so he is saying that because of that apartheid system that actually lasted too long in South Africa, must be born a society, right? So because all the citizens of South Africa, they were having the experience of that system that was very unfair, very unjust. So now finally जब उस system से सबको freedom मिल गई है, so now in South Africa a society will be there, जो एक ऐसी society जिसपे entire humanity एक proud feel कर सके. Okay, so नेल्सन मंडेला is saying कि finally South Africa में जब एक democratic system जो है वो develop हो चुका है, so now we all will try to create a society on which the entire world can feel proud. Okay, we who were outlaws not so long ago have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. Okay, so next he is saying that we the citizens of South Africa who were outlaws not so long ago. Outlaws means to make something illegal. Okay, so South Africa को जो country था और वहाँ के जो लोग थे, right, उनको illegal क्यों कर दिया गया था? Because of that system apartheid, right? Because वहाँ पे apartheid system था और वो सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा अनफेयर था, अनजस्ट सिस्टम था. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिस्टम जो बाकी नेशन है जो एंटायर वर्ल्ड के, उन सभी ने साउथ अफ्रीका को एज ए इलीगल कंट्री जो था वो डिक्लेयर कर दिया था. ओके, सो मंडेला इज सेइंग कि हमें जब आउटलॉज कर दिया गया था, बट टुडे वी हैव द रेयर प्रिविलेज टू बी होस्ट टू. बट नाउ अब क्या हो रहा है, अब जब वो सिस्टम एंड हो चुका है, डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम क्रिएट हो चुका है, सो नाउ साउथ अफ्रीका इज हैविंग द प्रिविलेज. प्रिविलेज मीन्स अ स्पेशल एडवांटेज to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil, right? अभी तक जो बाकी एंटायर वर्ल्ड था उसने साउथ अफ्रीका से अपने सभी रिलेशन, सभी डेमोक्रेटिक रिलेशन जो थे वो सभी ब्रेक कर लिए थे. ओके, बट नाउ फाइनली साउथ अफ्रीका इज हैविंग द प्रिविलेज, द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू होस्ट दिस लार्ज गैदरिंग ऑफ द एंटायर वर्ल्ड लीडर्स. ओके, we thank you of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. Okay, next Mandela, he is having the feeling of gratefulness. Okay, and he is saying that we thank all the distinguished international guests. Okay, distinguished means important or respected guests from the entire world जो यहाँ पर आए हैं. क्यों? टू टेक पोजेशन. पोजेशन मीन्स टू हैव समथिंग, राइट? तो वहाँ पे वो क्यों आए हैं? ये देखने के लिए कि फाइनली जो साउथ अफ्रीका के सिटीजन्स हैं, राइट, उनको क्या मिली है? एक विक्ट्री मिली है फॉर जस्टिस, फॉर पीस, फॉर ह्यूमन डिग्निटी, राइट? और ये विक्ट्री सिर्फ साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए नहीं है, बट इट इज़ अ कॉमन विक्ट्री फॉर द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. ओके, एंड इट इज़ अ विक्ट्री फॉर जस्टिस, इट इज़ अ विक्ट्री फॉर पीस एंड फॉर ह्यूमन डिग्निटी, राइट? डिग्निटी मीन्स रेस्पेक्ट. ओके, सो नेल्सन Mandela, he is giving a very heartful thank to the entire world leaders who were there to witness this historic occasion. Okay, because it was a common victory for the entire humanity. It was a common victory for the entire human world. Okay, we have at last achieved our political emancipation. Okay, next he is saying कि finally जो साउथ अफ्रीका है that has achieved the political emancipation. Emancipation means freedom from all kinds of restriction. Okay, so अब तक साउथ अफ्रीका में restriction था. जो black people थे they were not given any kinds of rights, right? They were not allowed to take part in politics, right? To take any higher position in the country, right? But now finally जब apartheid system हट गया है, so now finally a political freedom, or we can say political emancipation, was there in South Africa. Okay, we pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Okay, so Mandela, he is saying that today we pledge, we all we take a kind of oath. What kind of oath? To liberate all our people from all kind of bondage. Okay, from all kind of restriction. Okay, और ये सभी बॉन्डेज किसकी हैं? दीज बॉन्डेजेस आर ऑफ पॉवर्टी, डिप्रीवेशन, डिप्रीवेशन मीन्स नॉट हैविंग एनी काइंड्स ऑफ राइट्स, suffering, gender and other kind of discrimination. Discrimination means when we treat someone very differently, right? So अब तक साउथ अफ्रीका में तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था, right, on the basis of the skin color, on the basis of the race, okay? और जितना भी डिप्रीवेशन है, पॉवर्टी है, सफरिंग है, right, उन सभी से एक फ्रीडम मिलेगी, उन सभी से सब लोगों को लिबर्टी मिल जाए। इस चीज़ के लिए हम सब यहाँ पे आज एक प्लेज लेते हैं, ओथ लेते हैं, ओके? Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Okay, so next he is saying that हम लोगों ने इतने टाइम इस अपार्थाइड सिस्टम को फेस किया है, because of that system there was a lot of suffering, a lot of pain, a lot of discrimination was there, but now finally जब वो सिस्टम हट चुका है, so now we pledge that never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of वन बाय अनदर। ऑपरेशन मीन्स क्रूल और अनजस्ट बिहेवियर, राइट? अभी तक साउथ अफ्रीका में क्या होता था, जो वाइट पीपल थे दे यूज टू ऑपरेस द ब्लैक पीपल, ओके? बट नाउ मंडेला इज सेइंग कि अब से ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा, राइट? कि केवल आपके स्किन कलर के बेस पे या किसी भी और रीजन से वन पर्सन इज ऑपरेसिंग अनदर पर्सन, ऐसा साउथ अफ्रीका में अब कभी भी नहीं होगा। The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement, right? So आज का जो दिन है, it is a day of a very big achievement, a very big human achievement, achievement that is very glorious, very big, very magnificent। और आज का जो sun है, the sun that is witnessing this achievement, वो sun कभी भी set नहीं होगा, right? So आज की जो मॉर्निंग जो फ्रीडम लेकर आई है, जो लिबर्टी लेकर आई है, ये फ्रीडम साउथ अफ्रीका में हमेशा रहेगी, बिकॉज आज की जो मॉर्निंग जो न्यू चीज़ लेके आई है, आज का जो सन जो ये चीज़ विटनेस कर रहा है, ये सन कभी सेट नहीं होगा। ये फ्रीडम, ये लिबर्टी, ये राइट साउथ अफ्रीका में ऐसे अब कभी भी नहीं जाएंगे, ओके? लेट फ्रीडम रेन, गॉड ब्लेस अफ्रीका। एंड फाइनली मंडेला ही वॉज हैविंग वन विश एंड ही सेड दैट लेट फ्रीडम रेन, रेन मीन्स टू रूल अ कंट्री, ओके? सो ही सेइंग दैट फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन साउथ अफ्रीका विल बी रूल्ड बाय फ्रीडम only and may God bless South Africa and its people, okay? So this was a very famous speech of Nelson Mandela on that very historical event, okay? So it was a really very big achievement in the history of South Africa, okay? So what Nelson Mandela has more to share with us, we will come to know when we will continue the chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.